Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down Canary Token. It's an important idea in security. So, what is Canary Token? Canary tokens are fake credentials that alert you when attackers find and use them. It's one of the core ideas in security. Here are the key things to know about Canary Token. First, Canary tokens detect unauthorized access or credential theft. Also, they include fake API keys, documents, and URLs. Another key point, when used, they trigger immediate alerts. On top of that, they provide early warning of compromise. Finally, tools like Thinkst Canary and custom implementations are common. And that's Canary Token in simple terms. Come back for another security concept tomorrow.